Well, as the pandemic drags on, we're getting a clearer picture of just one serious concern here. Experts say mental health issues, especially among children and teenagers, are on the rise, and the challenges of living with COVID-19 are playing a big part in that. WCPO 9 News reporter Josh Bazan spoke to leaders of one local school district about their own experience and why they say more people need to be paying attention to this.
It's okay to not feel okay. In fact, it's pretty normal to feel some level of anxiety through all this right now.
The coronavirus pandemic has not been easy for anyone, but when it comes to children and young adults, the impact of the virus on their mental health is becoming all too clear. Since coming back from summer break, Mason City Schools has had about 850 alerts for concerning searches or other similar activity on school devices.
How do I die? Or does it hurt to die? Or if I'm being abused, should I die? Like, those are the kind of literal searches that we are seeing come up.
All last year at Mason City Schools, the district had 43 students go through an at-risk assessment, which means there's more likelihood of the student having serious suicidal thoughts. Just since the beginning of this school year, 51 students have already gone through that same assessment. And Mason City Schools is not alone. Experts say calls to the National Suicide Hotline are up. The Ohio Department of Education says districts across the state are dealing with this too.
Kids are having more difficulty coping with COVID and are seeking help. Right.
Mason has a team of 17 staff members dedicated to supporting students struggling with their mental health. The district wants parents to be aware of what's going on and talk to their kids about these things to find out how they are coping during COVID-19.
Children of all ages really look to the adults around them and really especially look at adults' emotional responses in order to model their own behavior.
You're not alone. We are here as a community, and your life is so precious to us.
Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.